Okay, I was just in the shopping center of my town, and there was a big like popping sound, like I don't know, but I like almost ran for cover to these buildings over here until I remembered I'm not in America and I'm not gonna die in a mass shooting. Fy søren. I've been here 20 months maybe, and I still, if I hear a loud noise, I still think like this is the moment I need to find the exits or I'm gonna die. So that's a fun immigrant experience for you. It was a delayed response, I'll say that much. I was kind of daydreaming after work and in my own little world, and I didn't react at first. Whereas before, I would always know exactly what exits, like exactly where I could hide at any given moment. Before I would teach in the university classroom, I would think about like where I was least likely to get shot and where my students could hide. So it took me a minute. I didn't react right away. So that means I guess my nervous system is calming down after a lifetime in America. But it was like this delayed reaction where I was like pop. And then I was like, oh my God. And then I was like, oh, okay, right. I'm not gonna die in a mass shooting in Norway. Så det var det for en mandag.